Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix sleep option missing Windows 11. You can validate that when you click on the shutdown button, the option, sleep, is not available. After that, in the search box, enter power cfg.cpl. Open the command. Now you will click on the line, choose what the power button does. Then click on the line, change settings that are currently unavailable. You will check the sleep box, click on Save Changes. As a result, when you click on the shutdown button, you will see the sleep option available. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.